So I built my table a little over 2.5 years ago, and now it is finally time to build the chairs. And because it's a big table, we need lots of chairs. So we're going to be building 10 white oak chairs. Now these are the kits from Matt Cremona, and he makes these. They're basically ready to assemble. You just need to do a lot of little detail and clean up on them to get them ready. So today we're going to be starting working on this, and this is going to be a lot of work. 1 chair, lots of fun. 10 chairs, yeah, help. Taper into there, taper into there, nice fit. Was about to say perfect. This. One set of back legs, one set of front legs, this is how you lose a finger. Okay, so the top edge needs to chamfer just a little bit. No, it's not right here. I did something wrong. Oh, the leg's going the wrong way. I'll have to put it right side. This way. That looks better. The jigsaw puzzle. There's a back rail. And that one. Big joint, small joint. Well, that's downright comfortable. 1/10 of about a quarter of the procedures. So I got about another 40 hours of work to get these done. And these are kits. Yeah, that actually works. Loop 1, loop 3, a bit harder for you here. There we go.
Yeah, it looks like baby food.
Really, really runny baby food.
After the baby has eaten it.
Really needed. Love all those rays. Okay. Something about white oak and its pure color like this, it just gives it an aged look that just looks wise. Like a old library table that's been sitting in a library for years. It just has that tone to it that you find really hard to reproduce. And white oak tends to give you that. Beautiful swirl grain. Is the last one of the chairs. Oh wait, that's only the first chair. I got 9 more to do. So I got one set all done and ready to finish, and I go to glue them up and I mix up the epoxy and I get everything ready and I'm about to start gluing it, only to realize I finished 2 left legs. Yeah, my chairs aren't going to dance very well. Put some wedges on the metal pieces. That one there, that one there. So let's actually just go ahead and bring you up to that spot then. Just hang that and make sure that it is square. Oh, these things are actually incredibly comfortable. I'm just really, really happy. Really happy. The curve hits the back just perfectly. Just the right size. Matt, you did really good work. I like this one. So there you have it. We have a chair, and this actually came from a Matt Cremona chair kit. He has 5 different designs that you can get, and it really makes making chairs a lot easier because you're not actually making all of the joinery. You're just doing the details that make it what you want it to be, and I really like that. And for what you get, they are a phenomenal price. So I'll leave a link to Matt Cremona's kit down below, and I had a fun time purchasing my set from him. It's one of the few places where I could get 10 chairs. Most of the time they come in a set of 4 or a set of 8. I need 10 chairs to go around my table, so now I've got One, for those of you who have noticed, I only made one of these because I needed to get this video out in time. So there are 9 more of these coming, and if you want to see the table with all 9 chairs around it, go and follow me on Instagram. I will be putting pictures up there once they are all done. But for right now, we finally have this one. So yes, everything in this dining room we have made the flooring, we made the trim, made the table. I have videos on all of them, and finally we're getting chairs to go with the beefy table. So thank you for all those who have been following along with this. If you do have any questions or thoughts, let me know that. Also, if you want to see the how-to where I actually talk through this and talk through what I'm doing, why I didn't put carving on this, other things like that, go over to the second channel, Wood by Wright How To, and on there I do a full talk through of this video where I explain what all's going on, what's going through my brain. As well as I want to say a huge thank you to Matt Cremona for creating these kits. So with all that being said, if you have anything you'd like to say, there's a comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Should I have built one straight from the beginning? There's a reason I don't do many chairs, because I really find making chairs to be kind of it's not something that pleases me. The final product, yes, I like it, but all the little things that go into it, it's not something that really jives with me. So I don't make a whole lot of chairs here, but for me, they're chair kits. So let me know your thoughts on that down below. Also want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon. Those are all the people who are scrolling over on this side. They are the ones who keep this channel going and keep Wood by Wright alive. We are supported completely by you, the viewers, and I want to say thank you to all the patrons on Patreon, as well as the members here on YouTube who've clicked that little join button. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't exist and we'd have to turn off the lights. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about Patreon, you can click the link down in the description or click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. When my wife asks me about how much I spent on tools and supplies for this product, I can say, don't worry, babe, it all went to charity.